morning, students. In earlier class we learned what is square of a number. Today we are going to learn what is square root of a number. 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 What is square root of a number? For example, 3 square equals, we know that 3 square equals 3 into 3. That is equal to 9. Here this 3 is called the square root of 9. Once more, 3 square equals 3 into 3. That is equal to 9. Here this 3 is called the square root of 9. Another example. 4 square equals 4 into 4. That is equal to 16. What is the square root of 16? Here 4 is called the square root of 16. 4 square equals 16. Here 4 is called the square root of 16. Square root is represented by this symbol. Square root is represented by this symbol. This symbol is known as square root symbol or radical sign. Radical sign. Represented by this symbol. This symbol is known as radical sign or square root sign. Example. Root of 25. We will write this way. Root of 25 equals root of 25. 5 into 5. 5 into 5. We will take only one 5 from these two 5s. This is the square root of 25. Once more, root 25 equals root of 5 into 5. Then we will take only one from these two 5s. That is 5. What is the square root of 25? 5. Another example. Root 36. How you will write? Root 36 equals root of 6 into 6 equals 6. We will take only one 6 from these two 6. Then square root of 36 equals 6. Then definition of a square root of a number. Square root of a number is a value that when multiplied by itself is a number. Square root of a number is a value that when multiplied by itself gives a number. For example, square root of 49 equals 7. Next, square root of 81 equals 9. Once more, square root of a number is a value that when multiplied by itself gives a number. For example, root 49 equals 7. Root of 81 equals 9. Now we are solving questions from exercise 6.3. First question is, what would be the possible ones digit of the square root of each of the numbers? Question is, what would be the square root of ones digit of the given number? The number is 9801. What is the ones digit? ones digit is 1. So, the square root of these numbers ones digit will be 1 or 9. Once more, the number is 9801. Here, ones digit is 1. So, its square roots ones digit will be 1 or 9. If a square's unit place ends with 1, its square roots unit place will be 1 or 9. Here, ones digit of square root of 9801 is either 1 or 9. Once more, one's digit of square root of 9801 is either 1 or 9. Second part is 99,856. What is the unit place here? Unit place is 6. If the unit place is 6, then its square root unit place will be 4 or 6. Unit digits of square root of 99,856 is either 4 or 6. Copy down this. Take third question as homework. Fourth question is 65 crore 76 lakh 66,025. What is the unit place? Unit place is 5. So, if a number's unit place is 5, its square root unit place will be 5. Here, unit digit of square root of 65 crore 76 lakh 66,025 is 5. Second question is, without doing any calculation, find the numbers which are surely not perfect square. From these numbers, we have to find out which are the numbers are not perfect squares. We already learned that if a number will be a perfect square, if its unit place is 1, 4, 5, 6, 9 and even zeros. Once more, if a number will be a perfect square, if its unit place is 1, 4, 5, 6, 9 or even zeros. First question is 153. Unit place is 3. Is it a perfect square? No. Why? Because here unit place is 3. So, this is not a perfect square. Not a perfect square. Next question is 257. Unit place is 7. This is also not a perfect square because unit place is 7. Not a perfect square. Next question is 408. Here unit place is 8. So this is not a perfect square. Fourth question is 441. Unit place is 1. So What type of number is this? Perfect square number. So 441 is a perfect square number. Perfect square. Copy down. Third question is, find the square root of 100 and 169 by the method of repeated subtraction. Question is, find the square root of 100 and 169 by the method. Which method? Repeated subtraction. In repeated subtraction method, in this method, subtract odd numbers from given numbers till we get 0. Subtract odd numbers from given number till we get 0. In repeated subtraction method, we have to subtract odd numbers, that is 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, etc. We have to subtract from the given number till we get 0. First question is 100. Then subtract with the odd numbers. Here 100 minus 1. First odd number is 1. 99. Second odd number is 3. 99 minus 3. 9 minus 3, 6. 96. Next odd number is 5. 6 minus 5, 1. Then 9. Here 91 minus next odd number 7. 11 minus 7, 4. Then 8. Next odd number is 9. 14 minus 9, 5. Then 7. 75. Next odd number is 11. 5 minus 1, 4. 7 minus 1, 6. Next here odd number is which one? 30. 4 minus 3, 1. 6 minus 1, 5. Next odd number is 15. 11 minus 5, 6. 4 minus 1, 3. Next odd number is 17. 16 minus 7, 9. 2 minus 1, 1. Next 19. Next odd number is after 17, 19. 9 minus 9, 0. 1 minus 1, 0. So 19 minus 19, 0. Then we got 0. Now count how many times we have subtracted these numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 times we subtracted. So the square root of 100 equals 10. Copy down. Copy down. Second question is 169. Then 169 minus 1. First odd number is 1. Then 9 minus 1, 8. 6, 1. Next odd number is 3. 8 minus 3, 5. Then 6, 1. Next odd number is 5. 5 minus 5, 0. 6, 1. Next 160 minus next odd number 7. 10 minus 7, 3. Then 5, 1. Next odd number 9. 30 minus 9, 4. Then here 4, 1. Next odd number is 11. 4 minus 1, 3. 4 minus 1, 3. Here 1. 133 minus next odd number 30. 3 minus 3, 0. 3 minus 1, 2. 1. Next odd number is 50. 10 minus 5, 5. 1 minus 1, 0. Then 1. Next odd number 70. 15 minus 7, 8. 9 minus 1, 8. 88 minus next odd number 19. 18 minus 9, 9. 7 minus 1, 6. Next odd number is 21. 9 minus 1, 8. 6 minus 2, 4. Next odd number is 23. 8 minus 3, 5. 4 minus 2, 2. 25. Next odd number is 25. 25 minus 25, 0. Then count how many times we have done this subtraction. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So, square root of 169 equals 13. Copy down this. Students, we will continue in the next class.